SkyRide 5.3K. Here we go. Oh, up and away. SkyRide in Tampa. Check out my 5K video of that. Probably saw it and got here. Yes, probably so, but this is much more greenery and trees and a little higher. Wow, we're way up here. There's turtles.
Oh, turtles!
A lot of turtles.
What's that? How do you get down there by the Loch Ness Monster?
I don't know, but I gotta be careful holding this thing.
You're dropping your dead.
Stop it, this is the Loch Ness Monster ride. If you can see those loops.
Like, inside, like right here.
Yeah, it's true. Behind that is Alpengeist. Behind that is Griffin.
That's not right.
Yeah, that's it.
Depends where you're looking at it from. There's more.
More of Alpengeist.
Yep.
Loch Ness Monster, the yellow one. Over the trees. We're starting in Germany and we are taking this thing all the way to the front of the park, which is England.
Maybe more if we have time.
Maybe more if we have time, yeah.
Maybe all the way around.
It does not go around, it's a one-way SkyRide.
Yeah. Here.
Oh. It only goes one way. It does go all the way around, right?
Yeah.
But it's only a one-way trip.
Which is stupid.
Well, this was in 1975. I would imagine Von Roll. I don't know if it's a VR 101.
And maybe not.
Maybe so, who knows? Here we go.
I'm guessing won't be a warrant. Look, there's your maintenance one. Look!
Oh yeah, that's cool. So this is one they use for maintenance. As it has no roof. And they climb through that and do whatever they gotta do on the top. And there's harnesses on it, as you can see.
You can. I mean, you can if you get stuck on the SkyRide and it's 7 o'clock when you're waiting for Germany, then you're gonna walk to Germany.
That's alright. Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, so your ride.
Thank you.
How's that footage last time?
Coming out good?
I'll let you go all the way around it like other thing.
Yeah. Good, thank you.
What happened to the other one?
Yeah, the battery died. I didn't want to get into it, but this one,
Hopefully the battery.
hopefully the battery won't die.
Or hopefully it doesn't overheat.
Shouldn't overheat.
Now we have
But
to.
you can check out all my Busch Gardens Williamsburg walking direction videos and on-ride POVs in the playlist at the end of this video.
Going GoPro horses in the shoot.
Yeah, we're at the front of the park, aren't we?
Yeah, that was the front.
I thought it made a stop. It doesn't, huh? It doesn't make a stop.
Yeah.
It just goes Germany, England, Germany, England.
You look like that horse.
It's a Clydesdale.
I mean, it's poo. You smell like it too.
We are going all the way around. So we're going, this is a SkyRide up and back. Germany to England, England to Germany.
No. England to France, and then France to Germany.
But does it stop in France?
Yeah, it's a station in France.
Station in France. Okay, so that's what I was wondering.
That was a station, but we decided to ride it.
So far we went Germany.
Wow, this is high up.
We're up there. We're up there. Should hold it in here.
Hey, I would do it how you were doing.
This is Griffin. 10 seats across, 3 rows, 30 riders. I got a great POV of that ride. We're gonna hang on as long as we can. We also got a train ride over here.
We're in France.
We're in
We went
France.
from Germany, England,
Finnegan's Flyer over there, that swinging swing. We're gonna go back to Germany. We're gonna hang on as long as we can, and we're gonna make a stop in France, right here, right?
Yeah. We were high up.
Yeah, we are way above the trees, but now we're not so high up. Possibly. So this is a stop in France, and we're going to keep going, keep the footage going up the SkyRide 5.3K. This is usually where they let people in and off. Let's do it. Here we go. Up and away.
Be better advanced inside.
It would be nice if you could come and go, but it is a one-way drive.
Say off.
I know, that's pretty cool. This is Griffin right here. That'd be really nice if we get a Griffin ride. Oh, they're coming up. We're gonna miss them.
Germany for sure is not our last stop. What time is it?
Yeah, let's make it our last stop. We've gone all the way around.
Yeah, it is.
And there's water on there.
Yeah.
Water dripping. That is
Griffin. Down here's Alps.
Alpengeist right here, which is an inverted coaster.
Great inverted coaster.
It's a very good inverted coaster. They could be like
oh, and then there's the log flume.
Log flume is over there.
Yeah, we scoot.
Le Scoot.
Let's scoot.
Le Scoot in France. Oh, here comes.
Land of Dragons.
Missed that, but we'll get over here.
Here's the Land of Dragons.
Land of Dragons is a kids area. Park is closing. It is June 4th, 2025. Giving you all the 5K POV, Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. And that's it. As we leave our
You should stop.
Alpengeist.
You should stop it.
Yeah,
But
let's
if we
not.
keep going around. Yeah, we are not going anymore.
That is it. So that's a ride. Up and back, Germany, England, France. Back to Germany. We have Germany to England,
Now we have to go
England to France to Germany. That's it.
Wish we could re-ride.
That is it. And we will exit here and check out our ride here. Please like and subscribe to my channel.